Eight types of GSD baby, German Shepherd Coat Cat. So as I said in my before video, I would make in some video next to blah 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 video. Actually, I'm gonna make it today. So first is Black and Tan GSD, meaning Black and Tan German Shepherd. So you can buy it in like 3,000 rupees. Sable German Shepherd. I know it's more like collar or black and tan mixed, but yeah, mostly it doesn't look like this. I don't know why they put it. And I don't know why I kept it. Big collar. Big collar is very cool looking dog, but then I like black and tan and white more. Brown GSD means brown German Shepherd. It's like this, like quite rare. Now after this is going to be a bit more rare. White German Shepherd. It's damn rarely, but not so rarely. Not as rare, but a bit less than blue. Now black is quite a bit in this. And yeah, actually, guys, read it. And guys, I'm sorry because the German Shepherd color order is not being in a right order. So yeah, it's not being in right order. Black German Shepherds. Look how cute it is. Look it. Look its eyes. Look its face. Oh my god. See it. See it. See this face. So cute. Let's go away. I'll just put this back. I need to edit actually. I just said that and like that. Okay, let's just get started. Start, man. Okay, there's some issue I think. Oh, okay, I got it. Now, blue German Shepherd. Look how cute it is. Look how cute. This is the most rarest, but after this is going to be the most rarest where you never find it in Germany. Blue German Shepherd is a lot rare anyway. Now this is called Panda Shepherd. Oh, look how cute! Look how cute! I don't like it so much anyway. Oh lord. Okay, bye, and that's it for today. Bye bye. You could go rewind the whole video, and whenever I clicked it, just 1 second or 1 microsecond before that, pause it, and then you can see it. And that's it for today. Bye.